Hey future coders, welcome back to Python से AI तक. This is day 6 of our Python to AI journey. In day 5 we started NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib basics. Today we are coming back to one very important Python topic, collection. Collection means storing multiple values together. Today we will learn list, tuple, set and dictionaries. These are used everywhere in Python, data science, machine learning, and AI. So let's start day 6. First, let's understand collection. Till now, we stored one value in one variable, right? For example, name equals student. But what if we want to store 5 student names? Will we create 5 different variables? We can, but that is not clean, right? So Python gives us collection. Collection help us store multiple values in one variable. Now let's start with list. A list is used to store multiple values. List is written using square brackets. Then important point is list keeps values in order. Then list is changeable, means we can add, remove or update values. And list allows duplicate value also. Think of list like a shopping list. You can add item, remove item and update item. Likewise, here I created a list called fruits. Inside the list we have apple, banana, mango and oranges. All value are written inside square brackets. When I print fruits, let's execute. See, Python show the full list, right? This is our first list. Now let's access list items. In Python, index start from 0. That means first item is at index 0, then second item is at index 1, third item is at index 2. This is very important, so remember, Python counting start from 0. Here fruit 0 gives apple, then fruit 1 gives banana, then fruit 2 give mango. So using index number we can access specific item from the list. Let's execute it. See, this is very useful when we want only one value from many values. Now let's update list item, because lists are changeable. We can replace one value with another. For example, if we want to replace banana with grapes, we can do that using index. So here banana is at index 1, right? Apple is index 0, then banana is index 1. So I wrote fruits 1 equals grapes. Yes, index is 1 equal grapes. Now banana is replaced with grapes. When I print the list, we can see the updated list. So list values can be changed. Now let's learn list methods. Methods are ready-made actions that we can perform on a list. So append adds an item at the end. Insert add an item at the specific position. Then remove removes an item by value. Pop removes an item by index. Then sort arranges the list. These methods are very useful and also used very commonly. So here we first created a fruit list. then append add orange at the end. Wait, I will just execute it. See, append added orange at the end, then insert added grapes at index 1, then remove banana from the list. See, then pop 0, remove the item at index 0. See, so with list methods we can manage list data easily. Now let's use loop with list. If a list has many items, we don't print them one by one manually. We use a for loop. For loop goes through each item one by one. So here I wrote a code. We have a student list. The for loop takes one student at a time. Let's print it. See, first it prints Arav, then Riya, then Kabir, and then Anaya. This is how we loop through a list. Now let's learn tuple. Tuple is also used to store multiple values. Tuple is written using round brackets. The main difference is tuple is unchangeable. That means after creating a tuple, we cannot update, add or remove items. Use tuple when your data should not change. Here I created a tuple called colors. It has red, blue, green and yellow. We can access tuple item using index. So colors 0 gives red. Just running it. See, first this print function gives us all colors, then print color 0. So here printed color index 0 red. But remember, we cannot change tuple values after creating it. Now quick comparison. List is changeable, tuple is unchangeable. If you are storing shopping item, use list because item can change. If you are storing fixed information like days of week, use tuple. So choose list or tuple depending on whether your data will change or not. Here days of the week are fixed. They will not change, so tuple is a good choice here. This is a simple real life example of tuple. So I'm just executing it. See. Now let's learn set. Set is used when we want unique values. Set does not allow duplicates. It is unordered, so values may not appear in the same order. It is also unindexed, so we cannot access item using index numbers. Think of a set like unique collection. Here I added duplicate values like 3 and 4. See, but when I print the set, duplicates are removed automatically. So I'm just executing it. See, so set keeps only unique values. This is very useful when we want to remove duplicate data. Now let's see some set methods. Add is used to add one item. Remove is to remove an item. Then union combines two sets. Intersection gives common values from two sets. These are useful in data comparison. So here set 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4. Set 2 has 3, 4, 5, 6. Union combines all unique values. Then intersection gives only common values. I'm just executing here. See, so common values are 3 and 4. Now let's learn dictionary. Dictionary stores data in key value pairs. Key means label, value means actual data. For example, name is key, student is value, age is key, 18 is value. So dictionary is very useful when we want structured data. Here I created a dictionary called student. It has name, age, city and marks. Each item has a key and value. This look like a real student profile. So I'm just printing it. See, dictionaries are used a lot in real world Python. Now let's access dictionary values. In list we used index, but in dictionary we use key. If we want name, we write student name key. If we want marks, we write student marks key. Here student name gives Riya, student marks gives 88. So I'm just executing it. See, so keys help us access value from dictionary. This is easier to understand because key are meaningful. Now let's update dictionary. Dictionaries are changeable, that means we can update old values. We can also add new key value pairs. For example, we can update marks or add goal. Here I updated marks from 88 to 95, and then I added a new key called goal. Its value is AI engineer. When we print the dictionary, we can see updated marks and new goals. So dictionary is flexible and powerful. Now let's look through dictionary. Sometimes we want to print all keys and values. For that we use item method. Item gives both key and value together. Here key and value come one by one. First key, I'm just executing it. So first key is name and value is Riya. Then age is 19, age and 19. Then city and Pune, marks and 95. This is how we print dictionary data neatly. Now it's mini project time. We will create a student report card. This project uses dictionary input type conversion, and if else we will take the student name and marks. Then we will store everything in a dictionary, and finally we will print the result. So here we first take student name, then we take marks and convert it into float. After that, if mark are 35 or above, result is pass, otherwise result is fail. Then we store name, marks and result inside a dictionary. And print the report card. So I'm just executing it, and here I'm typing Riya, marks is 99. See, student report card name Riya, marks 99, result pass. Now your practice task, create a product build using dictionary. Take a product name, price and quantity from the user, then calculate total amount. Formula is price multiplied by quantity. Finally, print all details like a small bill. This task will help you practice dictionary input and calculation. I am also attach here answer. We take product name from the user, then we take price and convert into float, then quantity is converted into integer, total amount is price multiplied by quantity. After that we store everything inside a dictionary. Finally we print the product bill using a loop. So executing here, product name is pen, price is 10 rupees and quantity is 11. So see, this is a simple real life billing example. So this was day 6 of Python se AI tak. Today we learn Python collection, list, tuple, sets and dictionaries. So list is changeable, tuple is fixed, sets stores unique value, dictionary store key value pairs. We also created a student report card mini project. If this topic feels a little long, don't worry, practice one collection at a time. In day 7 we will learn file handling in Python. So keep learning, keep practicing. This table is quick revision. List uses square brackets and is changeable. Tuple use round brackets and is not changeable. Set uses curly brackets and store unique values. And dictionary also use curly brackets but store key value pairs. If you remember this table, day 6 become easy. So keep learning, keep practicing, and welcome to Python se AI tak.